Hey everyone and welcome. Today, I will show you how to change account on Monopoly Go. Let's get started. After opening Monopoly Go, go to the top right corner the button with the three lines and go to your settings. Then go to manage account. Here you will see the options of your accounts. You can sign in with Facebook, Apple, or your contacts. As you can see here, I am disconnecting my Facebook and trying to connect my Apple. It's up to you whether you want to use Facebook, Apple, or your contacts. And as you can see, I am using my Facebook account. And that is how you change your account on Monopoly Go.